Hello. In part two, I talked about these two coordinating conjunctions, fanboys, but and yet, which offer a secondary idea that is opposing or contradictory to the first idea in the sentence, and the other fanboys conjunction, and, which adds more information to the first idea. In part three, I'm going to talk about two different adverbial conjunctions. These words perform the same function as a coordinating conjunction, but the punctuation is a little bit different and the tone is more academic. Let's look at furthermore. So we have two ideas in the sentence. The first idea that literacy rates are a negative phenomenon, and with furthermore, we are adding more evidence to describe why the initial idea should be taken more seriously. Furthermore does not mean in addition to or also. Writers use furthermore to indicate that the next part of the sentence is going to build on the first part in order to give even more weight or importance to the main point. And look at the punctuation. Here we have the first idea, declining literacy rates is a negative phenomenon. Then we close the first idea with a semicolon, not a comma like in coordinated conjunctions. So we use a semicolon, and then we open the second idea with the conjunction, furthermore. But after the conjunction, we have to put a comma. So you can see how it works here. First idea, semicolon, and conjunction followed by a comma, and the second idea. That's furthermore. Furthermore is an academic way of expressing the idea that we might, in conversation, use and another thing. If we are having a discussion with somebody informally and we are trying to list evidence to strengthen our point, if we think of something else to say that gives value to our first point, we say, and another thing. In academic writing, furthermore fulfills this function. The next adverbial coordination I'd like to talk about is however. This is much more straightforward in meaning than furthermore. However works just like but or yet, two fanboys conjunctions that separate two ideas in a sentence, or link two ideas in a sentence rather, that have some opposing or contrasting nature to them, however performs a very similar function. And because it is an adverbial conjunction, the punctuation works the same way as it does for furthermore. There's a semicolon, that is the full stop that sits above a comma, it's called a semicolon. The conjunction itself, a comma, and then the second idea. So here is the conjunction used in a sentence. The first idea is literacy rates are declining. And then the second idea that's being introduced opposes that, contrasts that by saying that more people are going to university. So however works like but or yet. There are quite a few adverbial conjunctions, and they're quite commonly used in academic, formal, and very ordinary language, spoken language as well. So here they are and their meanings. So if you'd like to try and use furthermore or however in sentences, you can write them out in the comments and I can give you some feedback on them. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try writing sentences with these other adverbial conjunctions and share those with us. If you have anything to add about conjunctions, please share the knowledge in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you over at part 4 of this video.